What's up YouTube, it's your girl Nati back here again with another video. For today's video, we are about to go on a picnic. So a couple friends of mine and I are going to a picnic. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. With that all being said, this is my fit for the day. Okay. Okay, you see that? My cute little fit for the day. There's no competition though. Vloggity vlog. Well, you look good, Emma. I didn't even see you stand up. Let me get your... Okay, it's the shoes for me. Okay. Period. So now we're going to 8 Degrees. Yeah, I'm gonna get the mango one. My mom loves the mango. It's so good. I haven't had this place before. You don't know? What do you usually like? What do you usually like to get? Pineapple on board program sessions. Ooh, it is so hot. Thank you. Oh, there's hella people in here. Oh, I think we order here. Less ice is an additional 30. Less ice? That's crazy. No ice. I'm gonna get the mango fruit smoothie. This is my song. Thank you so much. Have a good one. You too. This is so cute. Just enjoy every moment. This is fruit. Yeah. Enjoy every moment. Good things take time. Girl, you were supposed to wait for me to open it. Take a video of her. She didn't want to wait for me. No, I didn't wait for you. I'm dead. All right, you ready? So we are now at Target.
Look at this. I got myself pasta before. Oil was dripping out of the bag.
Ew,
that's why I couldn't get. It's pasta with butter, but like
butter noodles.
Yeah, I don't know, but it's more butter on the bag than on the pasta.
Butter noodles. I love Noodles and Company.
Right. I brought sunscreen too.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need some.
Yeah.
I don't want to get too dark. Rena's house is literally by here, so I hope she responds.
Oh, she needs to pick her up?
I don't think she needs to get picked up, but come on now.
Yeah, but she takes forever. We know this.
She does. Rena, if you're watching this, you take forever to get ready.
Right. We're talking shit about you.
Yeah, we're talking shit. You take forever.
Then we're gonna post it online so everybody knows.
So now, guys, we're going to Target. So now, guys, we're going to Target. We're about to get some snacks for our picnic.
I don't think I've ever done a picnic, really.
I've done a picnic one time.
Camera, but we should take pictures.
Yeah, we should. I think this takes pictures.
That's how we have our phones. But yeah.
It's so hot outside and I love it. We should do a pool party when we go to New York.
Oh, period.
Alright, so we're at Target right now. We're going the wrong way, girl. Oh, okay. Target.
It's like the party section, like a tablecloth, you know what I'm saying? With those plastic ones.
Do you like cheese and meat and stuff?
I like cheese.
We could do that, like the cheese and meat borders.
Charcuterie?
Charcuterie, yeah.
Charcuterie.
You took the name right out of my mouth because I did not know what I was saying.
Charcuterie.
Ooh, mangoes.
Mango?
Yes. Perfect.
That's red, orange, yellow.
Yellow, yeah. Choose cheese cheddar. What is it called?
You can get like
Sticks.
Like
cheese sticks. Oh, they have this. Those are just like snack. Right here, in our face.
Brownie.
This is salami. Italian dry salami. Let's do this. Okay. This is cute.
Now, chips and candy, right?
Yeah.
And drinks.
And drinks.
Like, we should get like regular drinks.
Coolers. Yeah, we could do that. Most definitely. The cooler air is making me cold. I'm nipped.
Got it right?
Yeah. We should definitely do cookies.
These are really good. Have you
Yeah,
had
let's
these?
get that. I love those.
All right.
But we're not getting like, we're not getting strong drinks, right? Okay. I like, my stomach is hurting for the past 3 days getting those strong drinks. Should we get like margarita mix or I get one of these? Where is it at? Yeah, I simply don't drink
We
Malibu.
need something to mix it with.
Yeah, we can get like juice or something. Like pineapple juice?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the original. Yeah.
There's nothing else we need to mix.
Yeah, that's it. Like these favorite cookies here. These, the Biscoffs.
Biscoff. Have you ever had cookie butter? It's like
Is it good?
Biscoff. It's like Nutella. How like it's like hazelnut butter.
Yeah.
It's like Biscoff butter.
Oh.
It's fine. They have to have it.
I've never had that.
So good.
I think somebody was telling me that because I love
Fire.
Biscoffs. I don't even know why. They just,
Now you have my accent.
Huh?
Biscoff.
Biscoff. Girl, you got your accent grew on me.
I know. Come to New York for a week.
Her
You'll be returning a whole different.
accent grew on me. I'm saying Biscoff. Get that? Where are we at? Ooh. Ooh, I might want to get fruit roll-ups. Right. Girl, why are we like this? We're just grabbing everything.
We should have leave.
Like we're doing too much?
No.
Okay.
Because I'll eat it all.
Yeah, we'll eat it. Grab another tortilla chip. You always gotta get the one from the back.
Tortilla, potato. Good or one more?
I'm just kidding.
This was a.
It was from the back.
All right, so drinks.
Drinks, we straight from the can is the best
How many
one.
cans are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's enough. That's good. Yeah.
Or at Target, I don't think.
So we should
Not
get
even
like
a
ice.
Sprite or anything like that.
We should get.
Sprite? I don't know.
Yeah, Sprite. I would do Sprite or 7-Up. Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now what?
Pineapple juice. We got the drink. We got the drinks.
Tablecloth.
Yeah, tablecloth, and then we need to get like that cooler bag.
Yeah.
I don't even know where we would find that. We'll find it here.
And that's it? These are cheaper?
Yeah, those are cute too. Those are
$3.
cute.
You think that's enough?
Yeah.
You still recording?
Still recording. So we have finished. Let's go.
Let's go.
We are heading out.
Cheese is going to, because I don't want to get melty and shit.
How do you open this? I'm the problem. There you go. Okay,
Wait
some
a minute.
cheese.
Keep it frozen. I think we're supposed to put ice in here, no? No, no ice needed. I'm stupid. Don't listen to me.
Cheese, fruits.
Yes. Popsicles.
Where's the popsicles?
In there.
Oh.
It says up to 2 hours.
Oh, we should be okay. We better eat that shit quick. Here's another fruit.
What's up?
So we are headed to Sailorville. Hey, hey, hey.
It's green.
I'm just being a passenger princess. All right, we're almost there. What?
With my freaking.
Period. You probably should take them off. Yeah, we're about to do the picnic, but we're waiting on a couple people. So we're about to go do a paddle boating and waste some time. Going paddle boating.
Are you sure?
Girl, thank you. Girl, this is
Is it hard with the flips? The flips.
Wait, do the wheel.
That's as far as I go.
Oh.
I'm a little nervous.
Okay, now go forward. Okay, look at us.
Apparently Asian Fest is going on downtown. kid, he said, let us know what we're doing. So let him know.
kid? We're still just chilling on the paddle boat.
I'm a whore this summer.
Huh?
So I'm a whore this summer.
Period. As it should be. Alright, so after paddle boating, Rena and Nye finally showed up. And now we're doing our picnic. Picnic, girl, it was so hard figuring out how to do it. Because I pressed it twice and it started the car.
Oh.
And then I was like, okay, well, let me go back and turn it off. Yeah.
I don't got that too.
Alright, so yeah, bro.
Do you guys have a house up here? Yeah. Oh, okay. We used to have
Guys, say what's up to the vlog.
Oh, just a vlog.
Yes, it's the vlog. Here's the towels. Cute little setup. Ooh, you look good. Period.
Ooh.
Rena. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Emma.
Sweaty mess.
I've been with you all day. You're on my vlog all day.
I know.
I hate when I smell that.
What do you smell like?
The paddle boat thingy.
It was fun, but it was hurting my feet.
It was a workout, huh?
Yes.
Take a 0.5.
So we're basically just gonna eat right now, and then my camera's also about to die. So I'll get back to you guys when I get back to you guys.
Period.
It's hard to fake do stuff for this.
Not to you low-key posing, but it's okay. It's okay. We love you still.
Am I really posing? Let me see.
Like low-key, you're like posing.
Cause I'm over here like this slowly.
Yeah, you're good. All right, you can put more.
Rena, how's the more Malibu?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is so
More
good.
Malibu.
I could have added more liquor.
You want more liquor?
Isn't this fruit punch so good?
It's so good. This whole thing.
I
tastes
told
like
her.
You
like-
put me. Yeah, you
Wait,
said
can
you
I
were.
get some of that pineapple
She said
juice?
she was gonna put us on.
She did.
Tell me when to stop. Okay.
Can I put the
Pineapple? Of course. Me being Miss Bartendee.
Bees on that. Like I don't taste no liquor in here at all. That's dangerous.
That's what, yeah.
Oh, that is dangerous as hell. I'm so glad you guys came out, guys. I love that for us. I just know you guys were gonna come late.
Oh.
Oh.
Cheers, then. All right.
Rena said she wanted some pineapple juice.
Oh yeah, can I get some?
We're about to salute here in a minute though.
Period.
Salute.
Oh, I got yeah, we got cheese in our mouth. Hold on.
1, 2, 3, salute.
Y'all are funny.
This does taste like juice, straight up.
Right.
That Malibu's real good.
All right, let me like actually eat now.
All right.
Ooh, let me get some salsa.
I'm gonna end this vlog. We're gonna go out tonight after our little picnic. So I'm gonna end the vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification on. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell on the motherfucking friend to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification on. And we out.